Hi, I am Prisha Sindhwani of class 8C studying in Manasali School. Today I am going to talk about the topic Let's Go Local. This Independence Day, let us all go local. Let us just try to leave behind the things which aren't beneficial for our country. What I actually mean to say is that we all use a lot of things which aren't much favorable for our country. For example, we all know about the recent ban on Chinese apps that has happened in our country. But it isn't only these apps that we use in our day to day life. We use several things which aren't beneficial for our country, but still we use them, sometimes unknowingly. For example, the knives that are used by mothers in the kitchen are mostly from China. They're made in China and then are exported to our country. Also, the toys we play with, or sometimes their parts, are made in different countries, like again China, and then they're assembled at one place, maybe India. Like these examples, there are lots and lots of other things. There are several electronic products which are made in India, but still we are using the products that aren't manufactured in India. Just because the products which we had brought from other countries seem to be better than what we can build in our own country. It is simply because every horse finds the grass on the other side greener. And this is the reason we tend to disregard the work done by us Indians. India is a huge country. We Indians can do anything, for we believe that necessary is the mother of invention. There are a lot of areas wherein we Indians aren't working hard, whereas as soon as we start focusing on those aspects, our country can top the list of the best producers in that particular thing. For example, the renowned spices of India. India produces about 75 of the 109 varieties of spices listed by the International Organization for Standardization. And this is why today India is called the land of spices. But there must be a day when this production of spices was very new to our country, when all this had started. We all know that we're currently surviving a pandemic, and the necessary requirements of this pandemic are a mask, which was more specifically to be a N95 mask, and a PPE kit for the staff of almost all the organizations that were working, especially for doctors. So, when all this started in India, there were no PPE kits and being manufactured, and a very small quantity of N95 masks being made. But now, if we see, almost 2 lakh PPE kits and masks are being manufactured in our country. So, I believe it's just that we can easily excel in all spheres. But the shortcoming is that we lack self confidence to take an initiative and start doing something great.